it comes into the fold. This is what we got. This is what we got to roll with. Don't let the person next to you down. Everybody got that?
Yes.
This is day one. So it's a talk that was very much needed. We got business to handle, not business, business. It's about to get real serious in North Carolina. It's about to get real serious in Cincinnati. Not just for marching band, concert band, not just halftime or twirling. It's a takeover. You gotta have that mentality. I got that mentality. Kill, destroy, conquer. You have to have that mentality. When marching band is over, we're gonna be like, oh yeah, solo ensemble, ones, across the board. Everybody. Because that's my favorite line when somebody say like, man, y'all something. Well, that's what I say to people. We do what we do. We just trying to do what we do. What I mean by that, kill, destroy, and conquer. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're trying to do. Everybody got that?
Yes.
Fire it up. It's time. Seniors, it's your time. Freshmen, it's your time. 7th grade, it's 8th grade, it's your time. Hell, it's my time. You know how long I sat behind people, not getting no credit? 2 Trojanets? Well, it's your time. Majorette. I don't know how we got so many. It's your time. Percussion. Fresh new black heads. Ringoed out to the T. Fresh Johnnies on the hands. It's y'all time. Tubas is raining, but it's y'all time too. First time in a long time we done had more than one. We had to march down the street with 2 people with no horn in the middle of a parade saying, here, you go play now. Right? So that means right there, y'all didn't even have a horn. But you got one now, right? That means you got a horn on you. That means it's your time. Baritones. Y'all not out there, your bell not falling off, is it, when you play, is it? Nick, you're not playing that raggedy horn no more, right? Brand new Silver Dynasties. It's y'all time. Trumpets. Fresh new megaton. It's y'all time. Y'all break nothing. I'm not buying nothing for clarinet. And I'm working on piccolos. It's time. Here we go. Ashton Martin. Here we go. It's not their time yet. It's not their time yet. It's one day. Here we go. Up on Troy. Sound off. Sound off. Bass. On that note right there, it's just boom, shot, boom, boom, shot, boom, 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 boom. It should be thunder coming straight from there. Here we go. From the top of the question. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, percussion, and. Right there. You know why I sound weak? You. Forearm. Put your forearm in 2. Boom. Right there. 1, 2.